Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I'll show you how to create World Cup FIFA videos with SeaArt AI. Okay, first thing that you should do is simply go and open SeaArt AI on your browser. Then you want to sign in using your account, your Google account. I'm going to sign in, then I'm going to click on continue, then click on confirm. And now after you sign in, you just have to click on AI video on the left side. Then you want to type here your prompt. I need a video of Messi scoring a goal in FIFA World Cup. Then you want to click on generate. You can even click on this option right here on the top left side, and here you can find images, models, AI characters, AI apps, post, workflow, user, etc. You can even upload a photo of the celebrity or the character you want to add inside your video. But here in my case, I'll just click on generate and see how it will perform. From the left side menu, you can choose the quality, the generation mode, the prompt magic if you want it on or off, and the aspect ratio, the duration of your video, the generation quantity. Do you want it to generate only 1, 2, 3, or 4 results at the same time from only one prompt? And of course, it will need a subscription. And here they have a discount. You can use it. And here you have more options: image to video, reference to video. You can put here two images: a first image, a start image, and an end image, and it will generate you the video. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful and useful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.